So this Lilac is really pretty and very actually unique. It starts really pinkish and then it turns more over in the light pink and then it ends up being white. It's very drought tolerant here in full sun and very easy to grow. It's also spreads by itself, but you can easily also collect seeds of it. So when it starts to be all brown, you can collect them inside. It's all the seeds sitting in here. And you can kind of just pull them out here and then they're just full of new Lilac here. You can either, what I do, I collect them in coffee filters with a name tag on, and then I either winter sow them or you could also sow them in spring, and then you have a bunch of more new Lilac.
For this, we're using regular potting soil because it's the cheapest. We did add water beforehand. That'll help our seeds not get lost and tossed around in the tray.
Oh, and if you want to see a great video on how to winter sow, click the link here.
Good job, Lars.
So here are the seeds from the Lilac. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them down here and then adding some more from here. Look at that. And they are really good at growing here, doing the winter sowing. There we go. And I'll just add a handful of dirt on top here. There we go. A little bit more to cover them. There we go. And then I'm just gonna add a little name tag there, and then I'll place it out in the greenhouse where it will sit until spring comes. Nature will do everything. Only every 2 weeks I have to go and check if it needs some water, if it's dry on the top, and then I'll spray. Otherwise I'll wait. Once they germinate and grow and the leaves, they have become like 3 sets of leaves, you can plant them out in the garden directly.
Now it's time to place these in the glass house. They're going to need sunlight and they're going to need to be watered once every 2 weeks with a little sprayer. Just keep an eye on them. Once these seedlings start to sprout, they'll be ready to plant out directly in the garden come springtime.
So it has been 3 months and these Lilac has sprouted in the tray, and they have second and also the third set of leaves. So I have been repotting them, adding them into a little bigger pot, and then once they're a little bit bigger, I will plant them out in the garden. If you don't have the time nor the space, you could also plant them directly out from the tray.